All right, so here you go with few chat links, which I have pasted in the chat box just now. So I want all of you to keep an eye over there. First link of links are of syllabus links. So if you are in grade 3, you need to check your grade 3 syllabus. If you are in grade 4, of course, you need to check your grade 4 syllabus. In case you have not enrolled yet, no need to worry. You can complete your payment process and you can join the batch. We are always welcome to take up the feedback. For that, what you have to do, you have to just need to fill up this feedback form. Yes, you have complete right to know in detail about your all batch details link. So you need to click on this link, you'll get to know. In case you have any further queries, you can always email us at support@olympiadsuccess.com, or you can drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers. Yes, we will be going to go live on the Facebook. So in case you find an internet glitch and you will not be able to join us back via Zoom, so you can watch this demo, which will be live on the Facebook. Okay. So with this, now I would like to invite your mentor at the platform. Her name is Miss Vidhi Naran. She's a wonderful mentor. Her classes are very engaging and interesting, and she's having a conceptual clarity. With this, she loves to interact kids like you, because she's been teaching kids from since so long, and she loves to teach kids for Olympiad classes. So over to you, Vidhi ma'am.
So good evening everyone. I am your mentor Vidhi here. I have been taking Olympiad classes from 2 years now almost, and I love teaching kids. This is my passion and would love to see all of you in the class. So I hope you all are joining, and we are going to do very exciting chapter today in the class. So are you all ready? Yes, just show me a thumbs up if you all are ready. Very good. Fine. Over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So let's have a presentation on the screen. Ma'am, Megam, can you please present your screen?
Yeah, sure. Okay, I hope my screen is visible to everyone. So I welcome you all on the platform of Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is the India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination. We are the India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation, one of its kind program that includes courses that matter. We are having 8 courses, School Plus program, mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken, written, Vedic maths, and coding. What else we provide? We provide one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes from grade 2 to grade 12, and one-on-one preparation classes for various Olympiads. You can meet our rank holders. These are kids like you only. You have no need to worry. Just need to spare extra 2 hours from regular studies, because Olympiad examination is quite little tougher than the regular curriculum. We are having live Olympiad sessions, group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors with significant teaching experience. Having 3 sessions per week, Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday from 6:30 p.m. till 7:45 p.m. IST with 5 minutes of break. This session includes mix of theory, practice question, doubt session, and discussion on previous year papers. Student will get the reading material and practice question, which will be available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And student will also get a free access to Olympiad Success platform to practice the topic-wide mock test. So syllabus is available on this two on particular link for grade 3 and grade 4. And the fee of this course is rupees 7,140. It is a 32 session course, and payment can be made by using this link. This fees includes online class, daily reading notes and exercise, practice of previous year paper, and access to Olympiad Success platform. What else you require? A laptop or desktop with good internet speed, laptop or desktop with camera, and headphones for the better audio clarity. So live classes will be starting from 24th of June 2025. In 2024, Olympiad Success had students from more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So this is all about PPT. I hope I'm clear to everyone. Show me thumbs if I'm clear. Am I clear, Shobhika? Zafria? Okay, over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So let me be ready for my presentation. Let me share my screen. Just a moment. And we are here. Okay, so what you have to do, kids, you have to enter this URL olympiadsuccess.com, wherein we will be going to have a glimpse of the dashboard. So I'm entering with one of the demo account. You will be going to log in with your email ID with which you will register with us. Okay. So here you will get your profile details. Check it in case you find any error, you can update it over here. Clicking on live classes in which you'll be going to get your entire material. You need to select your subject and of course topic. So here you can see the schedule, holiday calendar, reading material, practice question papers and answer keys. So click on schedule in which you'll get the clarity in which session you're going for which particular topic. Okay, so you can see after completion of every chapter, there's a test discussion. Test discussion means you'll be going to get a mock test paper in which you need to cover at home, and coming session, you'll be going to discuss the paper with your mentor. All right, so in super classes, you'll be going to discuss the previous year papers with your mentor. In holiday calendar, it's a clarity for you that you should not miss any session because already we do have festival holidays. Here you go with the reading material for your better understanding because Olympiads are meant for more and more practice that you should have in-depth knowledge of each and every topic. Okay. So here you go with the question paper. So click on paper. And here you can see the exercises. Okay. So I recommend you download your paper, solve it, and then check your answer keys. So here are the reference. So moving forward, you'll be going to have more practice. That is under section of worksheet. Click on worksheet, select your subject. And of course, you'll be going to get all your worksheets over here. Click on take exam, read instructions, tick this box, start worksheet. So in this way, you need to fill up your correct answers and you can move on next question. So this way, once you're done with all the questions, you can click on finish button for the submission of worksheet. Yes, I've reviewed all the questions and I'm good to submit my worksheet. So here you'll be going, the best part of our platform is the moment you're done, you can check your performance parallelly over here. For that, you need to click on performance button. Of course, select your subject and here you can see, I've attempted this worksheet just now. Click on view button. And here you can see the performance. So one answer is correct, one is incorrect. You can click on view button to get to know which is the correct answer, which is incorrect. Okay. Yes, that's pretty much about it. If anybody is having any doubt, needed clarity, feel free to drop your questions in the chat box. We'll be happy to answer your questions. Otherwise, we're ready to begin the demo. Any doubt, Shubhika? Jiva? Jeffria? Meher, any doubt? No doubt. Okay, over to you, Vidhima.
Okay, so can you all guess which lesson we are going to do today in the class? So I think some yes, some of you told me you like prepositions, homophones, and have you heard about describing words? Yes. Has any one of you heard about describing words? Yes. Who's heard? Who's heard? Show me thumbs up if you've heard about describing words. Yes. So for today's class, you all are going to be mute, right? But from the next class, you all will be able to talk to me and you can converse with me whatever doubts you have, or in case if you don't understand. In case of any technical glitch or the internet, please stay in the class. Do not leave the class, okay? Because the lesson will be continued only. Okay, it might take a minute, but we will be there in the meeting only. Okay, fine, clear everyone? Fine. So should we start? Should we start? Yes, good evening, Varaniam. I cannot see you. Varaniam, you've joined the class now, the demo class. So Varaniam, we've already shared. Yes, Varaniam, you are in which grade? Can you just type in the chat box? Which grade, which city and which school are you from? just type it in the chat box. Till then, we start with the lesson. Okay. So, what lesson we are going to do today? Kavya. Yes. Can you all listen to me? Yes. Yes. Okay. Fine. So, we are going to start with adjectives. I will be sharing the screen. All of you pay attention. Okay. So, adjectives, as all of you know, they are called describing words, right? Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Can you all see the screen? Yes. Can you all see the screen? Yes. No. No. Okay. Now, can you all see the screen? Yes. Okay. So today we are going to learn about adjectives. So when I say adjectives, what comes into your mind? Can anyone think? What do you understand by the word adjectives? I told you that they are describing words, but what does it describe? What are describing words? Beautiful. Yes, you can type in the chat box because you all will be on mute in this class. So you can give your answers in the chat box. Okay. So what? Let me see your answers in the chat box. Nobody has given me any answer in the chat box. Okay. Fine. So let's go ahead. So we are going to now see types of adjectives. Okay. Quality, quantity, and demonstrative adjectives. Quality, quantity, and demonstrative adjectives. Okay. Have you heard of these before? Yes or no? No. Okay. So when I say quality, what do you understand by quality? So suppose if I say, the girl is beautiful, she is wearing a pretty dress. What do you understand? What is it telling us? Is it showing us something about the dress, about the girl? Yes, the word beautiful. Is it showing something about the girl? Yes, she is a good girl. Yes, is it showing us something about the. Yes. So when we talk about the quality of the people or things or anything like that, yes, it is called adjective of quality. Okay, suppose if I say this boy is weight, that this is a tall boy or he is a tall boy. Okay, then what am I telling about the boy? That he is very tall. Yes, yes or no? Yes. Now, the fat cat sat on a mat. So, what do you understand? Who was fat? The cat. And where did the cat sit? On the mat. So, the word fat is showing us how the cat is describing the cat. So, it is adjective of quality. What is it? Adjective of quality. Clear? Clear with this? Okay, anyone has any doubt? Jafria, you are clear? Very good. Jiva? Meher? Very good. Shubhika? Great. Fine. Let's go ahead. Ra- So what are we going to see? We are also going to see different other type of adjectives, that is quantity and demonstrative. So what do you understand by, right? Ram has acted in many plays. So you come to know that Ram has acted in so many plays, right? So the word many is showing us quantity. Yes, is it showing us quantity? Yes. So that is adjective of quantity that we are going to see. Everyone understood quality and quantity? Yes, Jiva. Yes, Shubhika. Yes, Jafria. Yes, Meher. Okay. In case any one of you want to ask me anything, just type in the chat box. Okay. So from next class, when you join, you will be able to talk to me also. Okay. So do register for the class because we have a lot of fun ways of doing the lesson. Okay. Yes. When we do exercises, you will have a lot of fun. Okay. Now, adjective. Can you all see the screen? Wait. I'll just share it with you. Okay. Fine. Now, adjective of number, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. This poem was written by John. What does this mean? So, when there are words like this, that, these, okay, all these are demonstrative adjectives. What are demonstrative adjectives? Yes. Okay, so we've seen quality, quantity, and demonstrative. Clear? Jiva clear? Jafria clear? Meher, I cannot see you. Why have you turned off your camera? Yes, Meher. Are you clear? Yes. Okay, Shubhika, are you clear? Very good. Let's go ahead. Adjective of number, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjectives. So, what do you understand by adjective of number? 1, 2, 3, first, second, third. All these are adjective of numbers. If I say she has 4 pencils, so number 4 is adjective of number because it is telling us about pencils. How many pencils? 4. He stood first in the race. So, first. is adjective of number, right? Same way we will come to interrogative adjectives and possessive adjectives. Okay, like now see adjective of quality. I've already told you about it, right? Yes, yes, everyone. Yes. Okay. It tells us what kind of a thing or a person is. A red car. A happy boy. Yes, a red car. So it is telling us about the car. A happy boy. So it is telling us about the boy. Right? So it is adjective of quality. Yes? Okay. Now, to find out whether an adjective is qualitative, we ask the question what kind of a person, what kind of a thing, what kind of a boy, and we get the answer. Yes? Yes? Jafria, you already know what are interrogative adjectives, right? You just wrote in the chat box. Great. So everyone clear? What question will we ask when we want to know quality? What kind? Yes? Okay. Now, adjectives of quantity. There is sufficient food for all of us. Yes? Now, sufficient. Sufficient is telling us the quantity, right? Same way, there was no milk in the jar. So it is telling us the quantity of the milk, that there is no milk. Meher, can you please pay attention here? Thank you. Okay, let's go. There are many people standing in the queue. So, how many people? Many people. So, the words like any, some, many, no, sufficient do not mention any definite number, but they tell us about the quantity. Clear? Jafria, are you clear? Very good. Now, demonstrative adjectives. Adjectives which are used to point out or draw attention are certainly called to certain person or thing are demonstrative adjectives. Okay, this, that, these, those, all these are words show us, like I will say, this park is beautiful, this park has many fountains, right? Same way, these girls are my classmates. Those students are waiting to see you. That white building show us when what we point out are demonstrative adjectives. What are they? Demonstrative adjectives. Any doubt here? Clear? Yes. Shubhika, are you clear? Meher, are you clear? Have you done this before? No? Yes? No? Yes, Jiva, you may go, please. Okay. Now, Okay. So you all know what are adjective of numbers? Yes. Yes. Okay. Pay attention now. I already explained you. So we will read the examples. Ram is 10 years old. The first match will be played tomorrow. I had 6 cookies yesterday. So what question will you ask? How many? When we want to know the quantity, we will ask how much. And when we want to know the number, we will ask how many. And when we get the answer, that is adjective of number. How much is adjective of quantity. Yes, an adjective of quality is what kind of. Yes, or how is he? How is she? How is this thing? What kind of the thing it is? Yes? Okay. Now coming to interrogative adjectives. So, interrogative adjectives mainly will ask questions. Yes? What? Which words are interrogative adjectives? What, which, and whose? What is your name? What? Which which school do you go? Which? Whose book is this? Whose? All these are interrogative adjectives which ask questions. Jafria already knows and she's told me. Jiva, have you understood? Okay. Shubhika, have you understood? Okay. Anyone has any doubt? No? Okay. Possessive adjectives. So what do possessive adjectives show us? Then, their, your, her, his, all these will show you possession. Yes? Yes? What will it show? Possession. This is your book. It is her bag. Yes? When it shows the possession of the object, these are called possessive adjectives. Okay? My sister, my brother, your car, your bag, your health. Clear? Shubhika, are you clear? Yes? Okay. Jiva, clear? Meher? Okay. So what all did we do? Quality, quantity, number. Who will tell me? Yes, an interrogative. Very good. Okay. Find the adjectives in the given sentence. Quickly read the sentence and answer in the chat box. Type your answers in the chat box. Clever, steep, okay, very good. Can you all see the screen? No? Sorry. Okay. Funny. Okay. Let's see. The princess wore a lovely gown. So lovely. How was the gown? Lovely. So it is adjective of quality. Yes. Yes. Jafria, can you stop playing with your pen? Thank you. Okay. Next sentence. The children clapped when they saw the magician's clever tricks. Clever. Yes. Yes, Shubika, clever. Very good. Okay. Striped animals, do you know? Is striped adjective? Okay. My sister writes funny stories. Funny. Yes. Funny. Yes. And what else? David could not carry the box up the steep staircase. So, steep. Yes. Okay. Why Jiva no? Steep you did not know? You knew Jiva? Yes. How was the staircase steep? You did not know? What do you understand by steep? Steep is steep, steep staircase. Yes? Okay. Clear? Clear everyone? Okay. Now use adjectives to complete the sentences. Quickly. You cannot see the screen? No? Sorry. Okay. Bright. Very good. The bright sun. An old man. So when we do the class, I will be asking you questions to answer. Like Shubhika, answer the first one. Jiva, answer the second one. Jafria, answer the third one. Jafria, answer the third one. Ripe banana. A cute cat. Yes? Very good, right? Very good. Everyone is able to answer. Very good. Okay, now pay attention. Degrees of comparison. Have you heard of this before? Have you heard of this degrees of comparison before? Jeffrey, I cannot see you. Please, can you sit down? Thank you. Have you heard of degrees of comparison? No? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Okay. So, we have 3 degrees of comparison. Okay. Positive, comparative, and superlative. Have you heard this before? Have you heard this before? Yes? No? Okay. So, when we simply talk about the quality that person has, it is positive degree. For example, for example, she is a clever girl in the class. Okay? She is a clever girl in the class. So when I talk simply about one person or the quality, it is positive. But when I compare two things, when I will compare two things, like Ram is cleverer than Lakshman. So what am I? I am comparing two things, two people, right? Two boys. Like when we talk about the regards, when we compare two person or things, okay, it is comparative. So suppose if I say Rohan is taller than Rashi, so I am comparing two things. If I just say Rohan is a tall boy, and then I say Rohan is taller than Rashi, so that is comparative when you compare. And if I say superlative, okay, it means the highest of all. I will say Rohan is the tallest in the class. Okay? Yes? Yes? Fine? So everyone clear till now? Any doubt? Yes? Good, better, best. Okay? See. Bad words, worst. Happy, happier, happiest. Okay, fine. So we've done what all we've done: quality, quantity, number, possessive, demonstrative, interrogative, and positive degrees of comparison. Okay, so this was just the demo class. You will have These and regular classes where you will be doing new topics every single class with exercises, papers. We will be doing articles, you will be doing homophones, you will be doing prepositions, everything. Along with that, you will have papers to solve and questions also and exercises also. So, am I seeing you all in the next class? Yes, yes, sure. Then you all are registering. So do register for the class so you have all the details. Everything will follow once you register. Okay? And are you all clear with the lesson? Quickly, everyone type in the chat box, did you enjoy the class? Quickly. Give a quick feedback. How was the class? Quickly. Yes, we will also do preposition. We will do conjunctions, prepositions, a lot of things. Yes, Shubhika, you loved it. Thank you so much. Jiva, yes, enjoyed. Okay. Jafria, did you enjoy? Yes. So I am meeting you everyone on the in the next class. So we are starting our batches. We are starting the classes from next Tuesday. Okay. Fine. So see you all in the class. Okay. Anyone wants to ask anything? Anyone has any doubt? Yes, Shubhika, any doubt? No? Jiva, any doubt? Anything you want to ask? From the next class, you can talk to me. Okay? You can ask me questions, you can talk. Okay? You will not have to type in the chat box. You can talk directly to me and tell me, excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt. Excuse me, ma'am. Okay? Fine? Yes? Yes? Yes, Jafria? Fine? So when are we meeting again? Quickly tell me. Next Tuesday at 6:30 we have the class. Okay? Yes. Okay. Yes, Shubhika, you want to write something in the chat box? You can write. Yes, please go ahead. Oh, next Tuesday is your mother's birthday. So, but don't miss the class. Okay, fine. So, you all are registering and we are meeting in the next class. Okay? Yes? Okay? In case you have any doubt, you can contact the team and the team will get in touch with you. Okay? Bye bye, everyone. Bye. Yes. See you all on next Tuesday. We are starting with our batch. Okay? Yes, Jafria, see you next Tuesday. Okay, the batches are starting from next Tuesday. They will be there on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Tuesdays, Friday, and Sunday. Yes? Okay. Jiva, any doubt? Anything you want to ask? Okay. So bye everyone. Bye bye. Okay, bye Shubhika. See you in the class. Jiva, bye Jiva. Jiva, you want to ask anything? Okay.